Hey, today we're gonna plant a watermelon radish.
Show me the plant. And what do we put? We put in a tissue paper?
This is how it looks like.
Okay. And here's the packet.
This is the packet.
Good job. Okay. And show me what's the bottom part. What's the green part called? Show me the seed. The green part is called the?
Hypocrite.
No, cotyledon.
Cotyledon.
And the white part that goes and that becomes a root later is called the?
Hypocotyl.
Good job. Now show me how you're gonna plant that. How big is it gonna grow? No, not that big. This big.
This big.
Yes. Okay.
This big.
Okay.
This big.
Oops. Did you break it?
It broke.
It's okay. I'll give you a new one, okay?